complete guide to starting a six-figure remote pallet brokering business is your comprehensive roadmap to launching a low-cost, high-profit business that you can run from anywhere with no warehouses, no trucks, and no moving pallets. This guide reveals my proven system for turning pallets into paychecks, showing you how to go from 0 to 10K a month in as little as 6 months. Unlike traditional pallet businesses that require physical labor and storage space, remote pallet brokering allows you to profit as a middleman, connecting companies that need pallets with those that have pallets to sell, all while working from a computer and a phone. You never have to touch a single pallet yourself, and the process is simple. Here's a great example. A distributor needs 500 pallets each month for shipments, and a local manufacturer has 500 pallets they need to get rid of. You broker a deal to supply the distributor with pallets at $8 a unit and purchase those pallets from the manufacturer at $3 a unit. Without touching or storing the pallets, you pocket the $5 profit per pallet. That is $2,500 per month from just one deal. The best part, this isn't a one-time transaction. It's a monthly recurring revenue model, meaning you get paid every single month. Close a few more deals like this and you're on track to earning 10K a month or more. This guide is designed to give you everything you need to build a successful pallet brokering business, even if you have no experience, no connections, and only a small amount of startup capital. You can start a pallet business for less than $300. It's a complete step-by-step blueprint for launching, growing, and scaling a six-figure pallet business. You'll learn how to find reliable suppliers, secure paying buyers, negotiate profitable deals, and automate your operations so you can focus on growth. I started my own pallet business with very limited resources and basically no industry knowledge, but I cracked the code to scaling my pallet business, and this guide teaches you everything I learned along the way, but with fewer headaches, faster results, and a more streamlined approach. One of the biggest advantages of the remote pallet brokering model is that it operates on a monthly recurring revenue, MRR. This means you aren't constantly chasing new customers or worrying about where your next paycheck will come from. When you broker deals with companies that need pallets on a recurring basis, you lock in repeat revenue every month. Think about this. If you're brokering 500 pallets per month for just one buyer, that deal continues month after month as long as the buyer needs pallets. Unlike one-time sales, this business model generates consistent, predictable income that grows as you land more deals. With monthly recurring revenue, you can go on a 10-day vacation and your business won't skip a beat. Your deals continue to generate income even when you're not actively working, and that is the beauty of MRR. And if you decide to sell your business one day, buyers will pay a premium for companies with predictable recurring revenue streams. The pallet brokering business is one of the most profitable, low-cost opportunities out there. It doesn't require heavy equipment, expensive software, or a physical storefront. You don't need to rent warehouse space or hire a fleet of trucks. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and the step-by-step system outlined in this guide. The demand for pallets is massive and growing as e-commerce, manufacturing, and supply chain industries continue to expand. Every manufacturer, distributor, and warehouse relies on pallets to move products, and many of them have no interest in dealing with pallets themselves. As long as manufacturing and distribution exist, pallets will continue to be a lucrative business. And that's where you, the broker, comes in. Your role is to bridge the gap between buyers and sellers and collect a premium on every transaction. What sets this guide apart is that it's not just information, it's a complete system. Every step, every strategy, and every tool you need to launch your pallet brokering business is included in this guide. You'll discover how to identify high demand pallet sizes, where to find reliable suppliers, how to pitch buyers, and how to negotiate better deals. I've distilled everything I've learned in this business into one easy to follow system that will save you you time, energy, and costly mistakes. No fluff, no guesswork, just clear, actionable instructions that you can use to start making money quickly. The pallet brokering business is more than just a side hustle. It's a scalable business model that can generate six-figure profits and beyond. And because it's remote, you're not tied down to any one location. You can run this business from home, you can run it while traveling, or from anywhere you have internet access. It's one of the most flexible, low-cost business models you'll find, and it's more profitable than most people realize. With high profit margins, recurring revenue, and the ability to scale quickly, pallet brokering has the potential to create life-changing income. If you're ready to build a pallet business with minimal risk, high returns, and the ability to scale beyond your wildest dreams, this guide will show you exactly how to do that. I've done it myself, and now I'm handing you the blueprint to do it even faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. This is your chance to skip the trial and error phase and jump straight to the path that works. If you're tired of chasing side hustles that don't deliver, it's time to build something real, a business that grows month after month with predictable recurring revenue. The complete guide to starting a six-figure remote pallet brokering business will show you exactly how to do that. If you want to learn more about the wildly profitable world of pallet brokering, get the complete guide today. It could change your life. Take care.